everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this Halloween 3D skull canvas. So first off, I just have a large thick piece of cardboard. You can of course just use a canvas. I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole thing black and then add a little bit of brown and some bronze just to give it a bit more of an old antique-y look. So our next step is to get our skulls. I just bought these plastic ones from the dollar store. It's thin plastic so they're easy to mold because we want to change them a little bit because we want more depth on our canvas. We don't want them all to be the same height. So some of them I'm just going to squish the back of the plastic and then others I'm going to go ahead and cut in half. So, go ahead and just play around with the skulls on your canvas, see where you like them, how you want to place them before we get any gluing done. So when you're happy with the placement of your skulls, you want to go ahead and grab a hot glue gun and stick all of them down. So now that our skulls are all stuck down, we're going to go ahead and start adding our spider web. Again, this is just a pack of spider webbing that I bought from the dollar store. So don't worry about how it looks too much to start with, because we're going to be adding lots of layers of this. So just go ahead and start pulling that webbing apart. When you're happy with the placement of your first layer of spider web, we're just going to go ahead and use sellotape or masking tape on the back of the canvas to stick everything in place. And we're going to repeatedly do this with each layer of spider web we put on. Now that's all stuck down, we're going to go ahead and start on layer number 2. Now once everything is stuck down, you should have a canvas that's starting to look like this. Now we're going to go ahead and add some spiders to our canvas. Again, I just bought these plastic spiders from the dollar store, and we're going to go ahead and use the hot glue gun to stick them on our canvas. And there we go, our 3D skull canvas is all finished.